And we're back outside court as the defense is renewing its motion for a mistrial, arguing that prosecutors asked questions they should not have related to the alleged sexual encounter between Donald Trump and Stormy Daniels in 2006. Moments ago, the judge denied Donald Trump's request that the gag order be modified. Mr. Trump wanted to be able to respond publicly to the testimony from Stormy Daniels. Now that she's done, at least for now, that was flatly rejected. CNN Chief Legal Affairs Correspondent Paula Reed is here along with Jeremy Saland, former prosecutor for the Manhattan DA's office. And one of the things they're going over right now, Jeremy, is the fact that in the view of the defense attorneys, the testimony that came out Tuesday was so prejudicial because it suggested that the sex was not consensual. Even though Stormy Daniels said it was consensual, she said other things. Donald Trump was bigger than me. I didn't want to do it. Todd Blanche, the defense attorney, is saying the fact that it was introduced that there was no condom worn during the sex, in his view, is a, quote, dog whistle for rape. How strong a case does he have?
I think he's going to find himself in the same position he was when he first made the application. I think the judge is going to deny it. And one of the things, if you recall, that Judge Merchan addressed was you didn't object. You didn't object early enough. You didn't object often enough. Maybe not those exact words, but it's incumbent upon you as a defense to make those representations or objections, pardon me. That's number one. And number two, nothing has changed since that time, since that initially argument was made. So I would assume he will sustain this and say no, or we're going to proceed with the case. But keep in mind, at the end of the people's direct case, when they are done, there'll be another application to move for a trial order of dismissal. So this will be renewed. Yeah, and so the other thing is that the judge is saying is you sustained during the trial, and I mean, you objected during the trial, and I sustained those objections. So the jury's already been told to disregard.
Yeah, and they're going to get a limiting instruction. So that was a bit of a win for the Trump team. But look, what happened Tuesday, this really antagonized the defendant. The suggestion that this was not consensual, this was 100% on their minds yesterday, and that's when they decided to go longer in this cross, as we reported, and address this issue, because this was something that really upset the defendant. It arguably has nothing to do with the charges in this case, but this was something that they wanted to address because they believe that it spoke to reputational damage. So we're not only talking about the courtroom that you were in, we're talking about the court of public opinion. That's part of why they spent so much time on it.
Yeah, so one of the other things, obviously the defense spent much of the day trying to destroy Stormy Daniels' reputation. One of the things that they talked about is her different stories over the years, and she's been telling the story in different ways since 2006 when it allegedly happened, about the meal that he supposedly invited her for, and inconsistencies about her story. So the defense pointed to this 2018 interview with Anderson Cooper. Take a listen.
Did you two go out for dinner that night?
No.
You had dinner in the room?
Yes.
But she also said, she says you had dinner in the room there, but in court she said that they had no food. There was no food. Now, in response, Stormy testified, "We did not have any food. I did not eat any food. I maintain that in every interview. That has not changed." Necklace, the defense attorney, says, "When you said to Anderson Cooper you didn't really mean you had dinner, you meant something else?" Daniel said, "We had dinner time in the room." Necklace says, "Your words don't mean what they say, do they?" I mean, they didn't have dinner, they did have dinner, does it matter?
So Susan Necklace, the point she's making in front of the jury is that we can't believe you. You say one thing, then you say another. That's the point that they were trying to get when they spent so much time on the semantic meaning of dinner. And it doesn't really matter, again, for the facts of this case, her falsifying business records, but what she gave prosecutors was an account of what exactly was worth $130,000 in October 2016. And they were trying to, at a minimum, sow some doubt about her version of events.
Is that effective?
I don't think it's that effective. I think what the defense may want to do is make this a sex case, because it's not a sex case. The prosecution has to bring it back. As Paul just said, it's falsifying business records. Remember, the doorman lied. He absolutely lied. There was no other child, and you still paid him. This is a falsifying business records. It makes no difference if Stormy Daniels told you the truth, 50%, or lied completely, because it's not about her. It's not about her.
So there's another moment Trump's defense team appears to accuse Stormy of making the whole story up. They say, the defense attorney says, Susan Nicholas, "You have a lot of experience of making phony stories about sex appear to be real." This is a nod to her film career in adult films. She says, "Wow, that's not how I would put it. The sex in the films is very much real." just like what happened to me in that room. Now, to be clear, the defense didn't say the sex wasn't real. It was making phony stories about sex. But it didn't feel like they scored any points, though.
Only with their client. That's what this was for. This was for an audience of one. Like, make him feel that she was attacked and that he was vindicated so he won't violate the gag order or have court outbursts. Otherwise, no, this isn't going to change the outcome of this case.
So I wanted to ask you this, Jeremy, because it does seem to me, these are all very effective attorneys and all that, but Susan Necheles, Trump's attorney, said to Stormy Daniels, you know, you said that you're integral to Donald Trump going to jail. And she said, where did I say that? Show me where I said that. And she shows this tweet. It's a tweet from Daniels that calls Trump an orange turd that she's going to flush. Daniels said that was in response to someone else's post. So the defense says you were responding to the post, someone else's post there. Daniels, yes, someone calling me a human toilet. So I capitalized on the joke. Defense, the other post, Michael Cohen and Stormy Daniels, a.k.a. the human toilet, are their star witnesses, right? Daniels, yes. Defense, you said exactly, making me the best person to flush the orange turd down. Daniels, yes. I don't see instrumental or jail there. You're putting words in my mouth. I mean, she's right. She was putting words in their mouth. Does that hurt the attorney? No.
Go ahead.
Well,
what do you think?
I think if you're putting words and they're not accurate, and then the prosecution comes back and challenges it effectively, or the defendant, or pardon me, the witness challenges it effectively, it makes it look a little sleazy. It makes it look a little bad as an attorney. But again, this is a sideshow. I think part of the argument here of what the defense is trying to do is make it about Stormy Daniels, because if you can make it about Stormy Daniels and you can put some doubt in her and her credibility and her veracity, then you can get them away from what the case is about and not about falsifying business records, but about a former porn star who's trying to go after the former president.
All right, Paul and Jeremy, stick around. So Judge Juan Merchan has just denied Trump's request to modify the gag order so he could come out right at those fences where you see right there and talk about Stormy Daniels now that her testimony is over, at least for now. That request was denied. Trump's legal team is also renewing their request for a mistrial based on what they say was prejudicial information that Stormy Daniels offered in testimony on the stand. Those arguments are happening right now. We're going to squeeze in another quick break. We'll be right back.